Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, just attempt to solve it, talk through my thought process, and hopefully it's useful to someone on here. So the question I'm going to be attempting today is 485 max consecutive ones. Just going to read through the spec here. Given a binary array nums, return in maximum number of consecutive ones that are in the array. For example, 1 1 0 1 1 1. The output's going to be 3 because this is the maximum consecutive ones. There's 3 ones in a row, so the output's going to be 3. In this example, it's going to be 2 because there's 2 ones here, and there's only 1 here and 1 here, so the maximum is 2. Each index, or the value at any given index is going to be either 0 or 1, and the length is going to be between 1 and 10 to the power 5. So I'm going to switch over to my notes and just jot down any ideas. So just right off the bat, I think just loop through all elements, and then if it's 1, add to some sort of variable, add to current ones, and then if current ones is greater than max ones, then what we're going to do, we're going to say that current ones is then going to be equal to max ones. Yep, we're just gonna, and then we're gonna initialize current ones. It's gonna be equal to 0 to initialize it. Loop through all the elements. If it's a 1, add it to current ones. If else current ones is equal to 0. If current ones is greater than max ones, current ones is equal to max ones. Yep. And then we're gonna return max. Okay, and that should work. So let's just take this, put it into LeetCode. I tend to just copy and paste my notes in so that I can like reference them here. So we're gonna initialize current ones to 0. We're gonna do for numbers and or for number for I'll just say for num and nums, right? If num is equal to 1, current underscore ones is equal to, or no, plus equal 1, else current underscore ones is equal to 0, then if current ones is greater than max ones, current ones is equal to max ones, and away down here we're going to return max underscore ones. Also going to initialize max underscore ones as well, just to 0. Gonna hit run. Wrong answer, okay. Oh, I got my assignments the wrong way around. Max ones should be equal to current underscore ones. There we go, submit. And I passed. So thank you very much for watching the video. I hope it was useful to you in some way, shape or form. If you have any other solutions to this problem that were maybe a bit more efficient or were just a bit different, a bit cleaner, just please leave a comment down below. I love discussing these problems, and yeah, thank you once again for watching the video, and I hope you have a great day.